Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself Anjali, pursuing my degree in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering in second sem. Today I am going to explain you all about introduction to civil engineering, which has subject called BESCK 204A. In that, my topic is solid waste management. First, we'll know about what is solid waste. Solid waste is defined as non-liquid, non-soluble materials ranging from municipal garbage to industrial garbage that contain complex items such as hazardous substances. And next is steps include in solid waste management. The first one is storage, second one is collection, transport and handling, recycling, disposal and monitoring the waste materials. First one, storage. It means we store the waste in dustbins like wet waste and dry waste. Collection means we have to collect waste from other places. Transport and handling, it is maintenance of waste like recycling properly, like processing and all. Disposal and monitoring the waste materials. In figure only explains about what is collection, transportation, recovery, and some others are processing, some are aerobic digestion, composting, incineration. Sanitary landfill also an waste disposal method. Sources of solid waste. It can be generated from residential waste. Residential waste includes residences and homes where people live are some of the major sources of solid waste. The garbage from the places includes food waste, plastics, papers, glass, leather, cardboard, metals, yard waste, ashes, and special wastes like bulky household items such as electronics. Electronics means computers, mobile phones, and all. Tires, batteries, old mattress, and used oil. And the second one is industrial waste. Industries are known to be one of the biggest contributors to solid waste. These industries produce solid waste in the form of housekeeping waste, food waste, packaging waste, ashes, construction and demolition materials, special waste, medical waste, as well as other hazardous waste. Next one is commercial. Commercial facilities and buildings are yet another source of solid waste today. Commercial buildings and facilities in this case refer to hotels, markets, restaurants, gardens, stores, and office buildings. Some of the solid waste generated from these places include plastics, food waste, metals, paper, glass, wood, cardboard materials, special wastes, and other hazardous wastes. Institutional waste. The institutional centers like schools, colleges, prisons, military barracks, and other government centers also produce solid waste. Some of the common solid wastes obtained from the places include glasses, rubber waste, plastics, food waste, wood, paper, metals, cardboard materials, electronic, as well as various hazardous waste. Next one is treatment plants and sites. Heavy and light manufacturing plants also produce solid waste. They include refiners, power plants, processing plants, mineral extraction plants, and chemical plants. Among the waste produced by these plants, there are industrial process waste, unwanted specification products, plastics, metal parts, just to mention a few. Construction and demolition areas. Construction and demolition sites also contribute to solid waste problem. Construction sites include new construction sites for building and roads, road repair sites, building renovation sites, and building demolition sites. Some of the solid waste produced in the places include steel material, concrete, wood, plastic, rubber, copper wires, dirt, and glass. Municipal services. The urban centers also contribute immensely to solid waste series in the most countries today. Some of the solid waste brought about by the municipal services include street cleaning, waste from parks and beaches, wastewater treatment plants, landscaping waste, and waste from the recreational areas including sludge. Next one is agricultural waste. Agricultural crop farms, orchards, dairies, vineyards, and feedlots are also sources of solid waste. Among the wastes they produce are agricultural waste, spoiled food, pesticide containers, and other hazardous materials. Next one is biomedical waste. This refers to hospitals and biomedical equipment and chemical manufacturing firms. In hospitals, there are different types of solid waste produced. Some of these solid waste include syringes, bandages, used gloves, drugs, paper, plastic, food waste, and chemicals. All these require proper disposal, or else they will cause a huge problem for the environment and people in these facilities. Methods of solid waste management. For example, we'll take sanitary landfill. This is most popular solid waste disposal method used today. Garbage is basically spread out in a thin layers, compressed and covered with soil or plastic foam. Modern landfills are designed in such a way that the bottom of the landfills is covered with an impervious liner, which is usually made several layers of thick plastic and sand. Incineration. This method involves the burning of solid waste at a high temperature until the waste are turned into ashes. Incineration are made in such a way that they do not give off extreme amounts of heat when burning solid waste. Incineration that recycle heat energy through furnace and boiler are called waste to energy plants. Advantages of doing incineration. The volume of combustible waste is reduced considerably by burning waste. In the case of offsite, it is an appropriate method to minimize scavenging. Constraint is it can be cause smoke or fire hazard and also emits gaseous pollutants. And the next one is recycling and recovery. Recycling or recovery of resources is the process of taking useful but discarded items for the next use. Plastic bags, tins, glasses, containers are often recycled. Advantages of recycling is environmental friendly, and the constraint is it is expensive to set up, but and most emergencies there are limited potential. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel.